Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to run your application using zip package. So in an Azure App Service, you can actually run your applications directly using the zip package file instead of unzipping it. The unzip method of the file and copying the files to the www root folder we know creates a lot of problems, especially the problem of a logged file when basically the deployment is trying to overwrite the file, whereas the runtime is using the file for rendering some of the application. Maybe some users are actively accessing the website. So what are the advantages of zip deploy? So it eliminates file lock conflicts between the deployment and runtime because you do not unzip the file. You actually run your application directly from the zip file. We'll see how to do that. It ensures only fully deployed apps are running at any time. It can be deployed to a production app with restart. Improves the performance of Azure Resource Manager deployments. And it may reduce cold start times, particularly for JavaScript functions with large NPM package trees. So these are the advantages. Now, how exactly do we do a zip deploy, right? Now for that, let's go back to the same application which we had, and here we say we want to do the zip package. We want to run the application directly from the zip package. Okay, so now similarly we need to publish this file. Okay, after the file is published, what we will do is go back to the Azure to the PowerShell prompt and let us compress this to a version 3. How did we compress it? Using the compress archive path, destination path. This is the same command which we used in the previous video. Okay. Now after the zip file is ready, we actually need to enable the running from package option on the app service. Okay, so to do that, go to the Azure command prompt and we need to basically set a app setting here. So this is easy web app config app settings set resource group rgdev apps. Name of the app is contoso.net. Okay, we need to add a setting called website run from package. Kindly note the setting name is website run from package is equal to 1. Okay, we need to add this setting for the given web app. Okay, now this value is added. So how do we run this package from your Azure App Service? We can use the Azure CLI command again here. Az web app deployment. We need to say source config is a config zip file is basically a zip file. Resource group is rgdev apps. Oops. Excuse me. The name is contoso.net and then we have src file release version 3.zip. So this is basically we are trying to deploy and asking the Azure runtime to run directly from the package. Okay, so let's go back to the portal. Let's refresh this. I think we had updated this. Did we? Zip package. Did you see that? Now, interesting is if you go to the command prompt here, so you can see that your application is running in a read-only mode because you're running it from the package file. Okay, so if you go here inside the www root, if you try to edit, it is not going to allow us because we are running directly from the zip file, and it's a read-only mode, and hence it is a better performant. Cold start is avoided, and it's a very recommended practice, especially for the production applications. In fact, if you go here in the configuration, you will see the same app setting that we just added, which is website run from package, and the value is 1. Okay, that's how you run an application from the package, from the zip package. Thank you.